Typical day at the office.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Susan. I am fine. How are you?
I am great, thank you. How was your weekend?
I had a good weekend. Libby and I went to the beach. How was your weekend?
That is very nice. The beach is very beautiful. My weekend was good too. I relaxed a lot this weekend.
It is good to relax. We all need to relax sometimes. Okay, I will see you at lunch. I have some work to finish.
That's a good idea. I have lots of work to do too. I will see you at lunch.
How was your day?
It was okay, I suppose. It was a very busy day. Some customers were not very nice.
I am sorry to hear it. I hope it will get better.
I hope so too. We will see. Okay. I hope you enjoy your lunch. I have to go back to work.
Okay, sweetie. Have a good day. Thank you for lunch.
No problem. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Bye. That was a great lesson. I liked it a lot too, Peter. Yes, Zach, but now it is time to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.